Hi guys, we're at Spondon Station Level Crossing in Derbyshire with AB trains. Just myself right now because now Ben and his dad have been called to an emergency. He might come back soon, I'm not too sure, depending on how serious it is. I wonder why there's a hole in the road. Anyways, the time now is 13:57 on Saturday the 16th of December 2017. And this is for your 13:57, 1 Foxtrot 33 Eastman's train service on St Pancras to Sheffield. And possibly even for your 14:07, 1 Golf 30 cross-country service from Nottingham to Birmingham New Street. Here she is. 22022. 22022 to Sheffield, and they go. That's the last next video.